Can you survive without grammar? Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk English, the place where your English gets better with every listen. I'm Alex.
And I'm Riya. So glad you're here with us again. Today's question is super interesting. Can you survive without grammar?
Ooh, big question. Let's start with this. Riya, when you started learning English, did you study grammar first?
Honestly, yes. I thought grammar was everything. Tenses, rules, formulas. I had notebooks full of them. But when I actually tried to speak, I froze.
I hear that all the time, and actually, a lot of researchers agree. Grammar isn't the first thing you need. Have you heard of Stephen Krashen?
No, who's that?
He's a language expert. He said we learn languages by hearing and reading things we understand, not by memorizing rules. It's called the input hypothesis.
Wow! So you're telling me we can skip grammar?
Kinda. Let's say you watch a lot of English shows. You hear people say things like, I'm gonna go, she's been working, or did you eat yet? Even without knowing the grammar names like present perfect, you start to feel what sounds right.
That's true. I've learned a lot of phrases just from watching movies.
Exactly. So here's the answer. Yes, you can survive without grammar, but only for a while. What you can do without grammar. If you know some vocabulary and phrases, you can say what you want like, I want food, and ask for things like, where's the bus? You'll sound simple, maybe even a little funny sometimes, but people will understand you.
And understanding is more important than perfection, right?
Absolutely. But here's the thing, where you'll struggle without grammar. Without grammar, you can't express time clearly. Is it yesterday, tomorrow, ongoing? You might sound confusing like, I go store yesterday, versus I went to the store yesterday.
Ah, yeah. People might get confused or think I'm still learning.
Exactly. So grammar helps you. Sound clear, sound polite, and sound confident.
Babies don't learn grammar rules, but they speak fluently by age 3. That's because they hear language all the time and copy what they hear. The same as you learned your native language. So, surround myself with English.
100%. Podcasts, shows, music, even this channel. It's all input.
Okay, so let me wrap this up in my words. You can start without grammar and still survive. But to speak well, sound natural, and express yourself clearly, grammar helps.
Perfectly said, Riya. Grammar is like seasoning. You don't need it to survive, but it makes your English clearer and tastier.
So, friends, don't stress too much over grammar. But don't ignore it either.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and we'll help you grow. One conversation at a time.
Comment below. Do you think grammar is necessary? Or have you survived without it? Let us know. Subscribe to Let's Talk English for more episodes.